It's a delight to have with us our guest, Dnyanada Kulkarni, Senior Financial Market Analyst at Century Financial. Welcome with us. Let us start talking first about the technical levels that we have reached today when it comes to the Emirati indices, DFM, as at its highest levels in 10 years. To what extent we still have a momentum for further increases and also to have stronger technical levels for the UAE indices?
Hi, thank you so much for having me on the show. As you rightly pointed out, UAE indices have risen substantially. The DFM index is currently trading at around 9526, and we can see 50 SMA support at around 9303, and the next level of support is at around 9176, which is roughly the area where the 100 and 200 SMAs coincide. And on the upside, we can expect that the index could in the near term reach 4,700, and if it breaches that level, the next levels to watch out for are 5,200, and above that, if you look at it, it can also scale up to 5,400. Then moving on to the Abu Dhabi markets, they are currently trading at around 9517, as you rightly said, and we can see support in the vicinity of around 9330, which is where the 50 SMA is, and the next support is at the 200 SMA of around 9274, and on the upside we can see that the index could potentially reach 9600.
Dnyanada, we have seen previously some of the stocks in the markets, whether in Dubai or Abu Dhabi, acquiring the biggest liquidity. And here, let us talk about Abu Dhabi, for example, Apex for investments, Modern Holding. They had the biggest, the strongest valuations traded in the market. To what extent the positioning is still strong for those stocks away from the leading stocks such as the financial sector and the real estate sector?
Yes. So these stocks have definitely gained momentum, and as you said that the financial and real estate sector are also doing pretty well. If you see in the financial sector, particularly the insurance stocks are doing exceptionally well, and that is because healthcare insurance has been made mandatory by most corporations, which has increased the premium that is being charged by these companies, and because of that the revenue growth of these companies has nearly doubled in the second quarter of this year. And real estate as well, if you see, the revenue growth has been really strong. And because of that, it is driving liquidity.
If we are to talk about the valuations traded and the liquidity, we can see that it is still strong. But can we consider that the liquidity which we have in the UAE indices, is it good currently, or are we to expect more inflow for this liquidity in the coming period?
Yes, it is quite good at the moment. We can see that transaction value as well as volumes have risen considerably, and this momentum is expected to persist, especially because foreign institutional investors as well as domestic institutional investors and retail investors are pumping money into the markets. Secondly, UAE listed stocks are gaining a spot on global exchanges, for example on the Hong Kong exchange as well. So all of this is driving liquidity. So while it is really good at the current levels, we can expect it to increase further.
Dnyanada Kulkarni, Senior Financial Market Analyst at Century Financial. Thank you so much for being with us. It was a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much.